Hello friends, we will start with the MATLAB. In this session, we will learn how to use trial version of MATLAB. The MATLAB software is very costly. To purchase the license is not easy for individual. If the university have purchased or institution has purchased the license, then you can use the MATLAB software. Otherwise, my advice to use trial version first. Now let's start with MathWork. Open the first link of MathWork. You will find the window like this. This is the MathWork. You can purchase the license from there online here. This is my ID. I am logging out first. Now at the bottom, at the last, you will find get the trial of MATLAB. Start now. Now you have to enter the mail ID like .du.ac.in because it's institutional mail ID. Okay. dtu.ac.in is also institutional mail ID. Okay. This is the downloaded trial version. Okay. You can enter this, or you can enter the institution mail ID from across India. Now you can enter continue. Sign in. It's showing sign in. If that mail ID is not created, then you can click on create one. It is also there. This mail ID is also there. So I have to sign in. Next, I have to sign in. Type the password. Now, after creating the ID, you will find the window like this. Fill these entries and submit. Okay. Start your MATLAB online trial. Click on this. Now, the online MATLAB software is ready to work. You can try 2 plus 2. The answer is 4. It is like a offline. Okay. Everything is like offline. Okay. From here, you can use MATLAB free trial online. You can purchase also. You can purchase the license. This is your ID. Link license. Purchase the license. Okay. Link license. License or key number. Okay. You can purchase the license, but license is so costly, so it is not useful for individual to purchase one. Okay. So after that, you can sign out. It is like a Gmail ID. First, you have to create ID, then like Gmail ID, you have to sign in. This is all about how to MATLAB work online. You can purchase online license from this website, MathWork. This is the official website for MATLAB, and you can try the MATLAB trial version for 30 days. Thank you so much.